Hiya. Welcome back to the channel. So we have in front of us a 2011 Golf Mark 6 2.0 TDI, and as you just heard, it's starting a little bit slow. So this video, I'm going to replace the battery. Yes. And there is the battery positioned next to the engine. Changing it, well, it should be pretty easy to actually change it. So we've got 10mm, 10mm, and a 13mm down there holding the battery in. So I need to undo them, and I'll start with a 13. So I'll just unhook that so it's not in the way. Now you need quite a long extension, but that wasn't very tight. Yes. And now the battery's loose, so we can undo this. Now start with the positive one. Remove that first, because then if your spanner touches across to the negative whilst you're undoing this one, it doesn't matter. And this should hopefully lift out now. And the new one lifts in. Wow. So let's reconnect our negative, and then reconnect our positive. And anyone who knows what they're doing might actually notice that I've took the piss a bit there. You're meant to take off the negative first and put it on last. And the reason for that is because then if you are working with this terminal and you put your spanner across to it, anything, you're not going to short anything out. So if you touch the body with that, it's not going to short anything out anyway because it's already touching it. With this one you can do. So yeah, take the negative off first, put it on last. And then now we can put this into place. Torque up as required, not forgetting to put this back on. So that's the battery actually fitted, and the old battery unfitted. So under here we are actually done. And then if we go back inside the car, we can hear that it does start a lot nicer. Our clock's wrong, we've got a load of idiot lights on the dashboard, so hopefully when we drive, well actually we need to turn the steering all the way to the left and all the way to the right, and then that should reset them, which it has done, and they've all gone off. And that is, well, that's the battery fitted and it's working, and it should work, but ideally you're supposed to tell the car it's had a new battery. So I'm going to get this TopDon TopScan and plug it in. Yes. And turn the ignition on without starting the car. And that should be done, so we can take that out, put that away, And stuff like your auto windows, which are meant to do this, if I look at the other side, won't do that. So if you send it all the way to the bottom, hold the button down, then when it's at the bottom, press it again, send it all the way up, and then hold the button up again, now it'll work. So that resets that as well. And there's just one last thing to do, which is, well, set the time. So just do that through your steering wheel controls. Yes, so that is all done. So that's all for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit, and I'll see you next time.